For this Halloween, we're gonna make a blackberry orange margarita with a skull ice cube. When entertaining for Halloween, I love to make sure that I'm making a signature cocktail that matches the theme, of course, Halloween, and you can always also make a fun ice cube. So I have these ice cube balls here, look how cute. And you can put any Halloween element inside, freeze it inside. So you could do plastic spiders or little eyeballs. I have here these little plastic skulls. I've washed them first, so I'm gonna put them right into our little ice cube tray here. And you close up your little ice cube tray. They just kind of click right into each other. And this is something you could do with the kids ahead of time. You know, obviously if you're making more than 4 ice cubes at a time, that will be a lot easier. But you can make them and you can store them in the fridge in a bowl. So I have these all sealed up, so you can click the link below in the description to see where you can purchase your silicone ice cream trays. So I'm gonna fill these up. There's a little hole at the top, and you just fill them with the water in the top. Fill them all the way up, and then you're gonna put them in the freezer, and they're gonna come out like these beautiful ice cube balls. Once our trays are frozen, our cubes are frozen, we're gonna open these up, and we have these perfect skull ice cube balls. So for this Halloween, I'm going to be doing a signature cocktail, Blackberry Orange Margarita. So first we're gonna get started with our simple syrup. We're doing 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 cup of sugar, and about 6 blackberries. I'm gonna put them in here, and we're gonna cook this on the stove. So we're gonna let our sugar and our water dissolve together, but I'm also gonna smash down these blackberries, and they're gonna make the perfect color for our Halloween cocktail. Once our simple syrup has cooked, dissolved, and mixed all together, we're gonna strain this right over strainer. I'm gonna discard this. We're gonna let our simple syrup cool so we can make our cocktail. So to get started with our cocktail, we're gonna do 2 ounces of 21 seeds, the Valencia Orange Tequila. So we're gonna do the 2 ounces of our blackberry simple syrup. We're gonna do 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice and 2 ounces of club soda. And so you can make these, again, in a pitcher ahead of time for your guests for your next Halloween party. Of course, with these beautiful, I'm saying beautiful, but they have skulls in them, but you know, ice cubes. Shake this up. And then we're gonna take our glass with one of our ice cubes. Skull, put that right in there. Pour this right on top. That beautiful color. Nice and Halloween. We're gonna garnish with some blackberries. And I have one of these little bat stirs. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. We hope that you have a happy and safe Halloween, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.